Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet 1500 Silverado Trail Boss Z71 off-road package. This beautiful red-hot Trail Boss is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine, made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Looking at the interior of the Trail Boss here, we have the power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Drivability dial up top. We got your different modes. You have trailer, and then you have normal, sport, and off-road. You do have your 4x4 switch, fog lights, in-bed lighting, and automatic headlights. A leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control, heated steering wheel control, and your audio controls there. 4 kilometers on the truck as we speak. Brand new pickup here. Column shifter, push-button ignition. We have an 8-inch touchscreen. OnStar navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto is in there. Dual zone climate control with heated front seats, integrated trailer braking system. We do have USB ports as well as an outlet up front here. All black interior, dual glove box, locking bottom, Bose audio equipment, and then we have our black leather heated seats in the front of the Trail Boss. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss, we got the 18-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful black starred rims with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac all-terrain tires. On the red paint, we got the black out door handles with black window trim, as well as the mirror caps, keyless entry, and remote start, both equipped inside the truck here. Coming to the front of the Trail Boss, we got the black bumper with parking sensors, fog lights, and red tow hooks, LED daytime running lamps, and the black Chevy Bowtie. You do have 6.2 badging on the hood, Z71 on the front fender, LED lights in the side mirrors as well. Coming to the back, the Trail Boss, you do have that factory 2-inch lift kit in the front of the truck as well, giving you that large stance. Black bumper as well to match the front. Dual chrome exhaust tips, parking sensors, trailer tow hitch, and LED tail lamps. Jumping into the interior, again, our second row leather 60/40 split. Both end seats here are car seat ready, as well as that 60/40 split allows you to fold them up. Under seat storage there, they lock and they lock back down again. You have your in-seat storage as well. A rear sliding window with defrost, extra headroom over top, LED lighting, USB ports as well in the back of the center console there. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Trail Boss 1500. If this is your next V8 crew cab off-road ready pickup truck, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.